In the last months of 2025, a rumor began circulating strongly within the global automotive industry. According to documents that supposedly leaked from the Texas Gigafactory, Tesla was preparing a new electric vehicle, tentatively called the Model 2. The detail that caught attention was not only the name, but the price that appears in these documents. According to this information, the car could cost only $12,749, a value that seems almost impossible within the current electric vehicle market. If this rumor is true, we would be facing a historic shift in the automotive sector. The price would be significantly lower than that of virtually all EVs currently available. This would make the Model 2 one of the most affordable electric cars ever conceived. Experts say that this strategy could completely redefine the concept of electric mobility. Instead of being a premium product, the car would become a mass-market vehicle. And this could drastically accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles worldwide. Rumors suggest that the Model 2 project isn't just about being affordable. It also aims to offer surprising range for its price point. Some sources claim the vehicle could exceed 360 miles on a single charge. If confirmed, this would give the car a range comparable to much more expensive models. This raises a number of questions within the industry. How could Tesla offer so much range at such a low cost? Analysts believe the answer may lie in a combination of new battery technologies and revolutionary production methods. The company has been investing in industrial efficiency and cost reduction for years. This accumulated experience could finally result in a truly affordable vehicle. If all this is true, the Model 2 could become a landmark in the history of electric cars. Similar to what the Model T represented for automobiles at the beginning of the 20th century. Another intriguing detail from these rumors involves the location where the project is being developed. The documents specifically mention the Gigafactory Texas as the production center for the new vehicle. This factory is already known for adopting some of the most advanced manufacturing processes in the automotive industry. It's possible that the Model 2 is being designed from the ground up to take advantage of these technologies. This would include highly automated assembly lines and streamlined manufacturing methods. Tesla has a history of transforming its factories into true industrial innovation labs. Therefore, it wouldn't be surprising if the Model 2 were the first car fully optimized for this new production model. If the company is indeed managing to produce a complete EV at this price point, the Gigafactory Texas likely plays a key role in this process. The location could be the starting point for a new generation of affordable electric vehicles. Another aspect that caught attention in the rumors is the launch schedule. The documents suggest that the first deliveries could begin as early as August 2026. This indicates that the project may be at a more advanced stage than many imagined. Normally, a new car spends years in development before reaching the market. However, Tesla has demonstrated several times that it can accelerate this process surprisingly. If the schedule is true, it means that functional prototypes likely already exist. It also indicates that the company may be finalizing production tests and technical validation. The proximity of this possible delivery date is generating enormous curiosity among analysts and consumers. After all, an extremely cheap EV arriving on the market in such a short time would be an unprecedented event, and this could provoke an immediate reaction from competing automakers. Interestingly, some analysts believe that the goal of the Model 2 goes beyond simply selling a cheap car. The project may be part of a broader strategy conceived by Elon Musk to transform everyday mobility. Instead of competing directly with luxury cars or sports vehicles, the Model 2 could focus on something different. The idea would be to create an extremely reliable, predictable, and easy-to-maintain vehicle over many years. This type of proposition could attract an audience that doesn't usually appear in traditional electric car campaigns. We're talking about drivers who prioritize stability, safety, and low operating costs. People who see the car as a practical tool for everyday life. If this strategy is correct, Tesla may be targeting an audience that other companies have yet to ignore. Within this scenario, a particularly interesting detail emerges. Some rumors indicate that the Model 2 is being designed especially for drivers over 50 years old. This consumer group tends to value reliability and predictability above extreme performance. Instead of impressive acceleration or futuristic design, they look for something that works well for many years. A car that doesn't bring unpleasant surprises to the budget. Electric vehicles already have some natural advantages in this respect. They don't need oil changes, have fewer moving parts, and generally require less maintenance. Tesla could be exploring exactly these benefits, creating a car that simplifies the experience of owning a vehicle, something that functions almost like a reliable everyday appliance. Automotive economics experts also point to another important advantage of this type of proposal. Over 10 years of use, an electric vehicle can generate significant savings compared to combustion engine cars. Fuel, engine maintenance, transmission, and various mechanical components simply cease to exist. Some studies suggest that these savings can reach up to $30,000 over a decade. If the Model 2 really costs just over $12,000, this relationship becomes even more impressive. The total cost of ownership can be drastically reduced. For many consumers, this means financial predictability, something especially important for those planning long-term expenses. This factor can be decisive in convincing a more conservative public to adopt electric vehicles. Another point reinforcing this strategy is the concept of reliability. Experienced drivers generally value cars that simply function smoothly every day without complications. They prefer to avoid frequent visits to the mechanic or unexpected mechanical surprises. A well-designed EV can meet exactly this expectation. With fewer complex mechanical components, the risk of serious failures tends to decrease. Tesla may be exploiting this characteristic to the extreme in the Model 2. If the car is truly designed to last for many years with minimal maintenance, it could become extremely attractive to this audience. This could also change the perception that electric vehicles are merely experimental technological products. Instead, they would be seen as practical and durable solutions. Within the industry, some analysts have already begun discussing the potential impact of a car with these characteristics. A cheap, reliable, and long-range EV could completely alter the market balance. Many automakers are still struggling to produce competitively priced electric cars. If Tesla manages to achieve this cost level, the competitive pressure will be enormous. Traditional companies may be forced to accelerate their own electrification programs. This could trigger a new phase of global competition, a phase in which industrial efficiency and technological innovation become even more important. In the long term, consumers could benefit from lower prices and increasingly better vehicles. At the same time, it's important to remember that all of this is still in the realm of rumors. No official announcement has been made so far. Tesla has not publicly confirmed the existence of the Model 2 with these specifications. Even so, the mere fact that these documents are circulating has been enough to spark enormous curiosity. The company's recent history shows that many ideas considered impossible have ended up becoming reality. Therefore, analysts continue to follow every new detail that emerges. If this project really exists, it could represent one of the most important launches of the decade. A car capable of making electric mobility accessible to millions of people. The way this potential project is emerging is also noteworthy for another reason. Unlike other automotive industry launches, the supposed Model 2 didn't first appear at grand events or public presentations. Instead, information began to emerge discreetly through internal industry conversations and possible technical leaks. This absence of traditional marketing has raised many hypotheses. Some analysts believe that Tesla may be adopting a deliberately silent strategy. Instead of creating anticipation with early campaigns, the company could be focusing all its efforts on engineering and production. This would be consistent with the development style Tesla has demonstrated in other projects, prioritizing concrete results before any official announcement. If this approach is true, the current silence may indicate that the car is still undergoing final adjustments, and this would explain why so few official details have been revealed so far. Another curious element is that the name Model 2 may not even be the vehicle's final name. According to some industry sources, this designation could simply be an internal code name used during development. This wouldn't be uncommon within large technology companies. Projects often receive provisional names before being officially presented to the public. Tesla has done something similar in the past with different vehicles and technologies. Therefore, it's possible that the final car will receive a completely different identity when it's officially announced. Even so, the name Model 2 has become popular among analysts and enthusiasts. It represents the idea of a Tesla that is even more accessible than the Model 3, a vehicle designed to reach a much wider audience. Regardless of the final name, the concept behind this project continues to generate enormous interest in the sector. While marketing remains silent, some experts believe Tesla's true focus is on transforming the manufacturing process. Elon Musk has stated several times that the next big revolution in the automotive industry is not just in the car itself, but in how it is produced. Production efficiency can be as important as the vehicle's technology. In this context, the supposed Model 2 could function as a laboratory for new industrial techniques. Instead of simply adapting traditional methods, Tesla would be redesigning the entire logic of assembling a car. This would include fewer production steps, fewer components, and greater automation. If this approach is actually being applied, the impact could be enormous. Producing cars more simply means drastically reducing costs, and this would make it possible to achieve the extremely low price mentioned in the rumors. One of the technologies that frequently appears in these leaks is the so-called Giga casting. This method involves the use of enormous casting machines capable of producing large parts of the car's structure in a single piece of aluminum. Traditionally, a vehicle's structure is composed of dozens or even hundreds of different components. Each piece needs to be welded, aligned, and fastened during the assembly process. This increases the complexity of production and creates multiple potential points of failure. Giga casting completely changes this logic. Instead of several small parts, large structural sections are created all at once. This simplifies manufacturing and drastically reduces the number of steps required on the assembly line. Furthermore, it decreases the time needed to produce each car. This efficiency may be one of the keys to making the Model 2 so inexpensive. According to some technical estimates, the use of Giga castings could replace more than 70 traditional structural parts with just a few large cast blocks. This simplification has several important advantages. First, it significantly reduces the vehicle's weight. Second, it decreases the number of welds and mechanical joints. Each joint point in a traditional car can become a potential source of noise or wear over time. By eliminating many of these joints, the structure becomes more rigid and quieter. This also improves the vehicle's long-term durability. Fewer parts means fewer things that can fail. For drivers who plan to keep their car for many years, this feature can be extremely valuable. Structural simplicity translates into reliability. Another benefit of this approach is the reduction of vibrations and noise during driving. Traditional cars have several areas where small gaps between parts can generate sounds over time. With large cast structures, these noise sources are drastically reduced. The result can be a quieter car even after years of use. For many drivers, especially those who prioritize comfort and tranquility, this detail makes a big difference in the daily experience. Tesla has already shown interest in constantly improving the structural quality of its vehicles. Giga casting could be a natural evolution of this engineering philosophy. If applied to the Model 2, it would help create a simple, robust, and durable car. A vehicle designed to withstand the wear and tear of time. Beyond the main structure, other rumors indicate that the car could adopt a modular design concept in specific areas of the body. One of the most discussed examples involves so-called replaceable impact modules. In conventional cars, even minor collisions can cause expensive and complex damage to repair. Often, it is necessary to disassemble large parts of the body to access the affected area. This increases the cost of repair and the time the vehicle remains in the workshop. The modular proposal attempts to solve exactly this problem. Certain parts of the structure would be designed to be quickly removed and replaced. In the event of an impact, only the damaged module would need to be replaced. This solution could drastically reduce maintenance costs after minor accidents. This type of design also has important implications for the resale value of the vehicle. A car that can be easily repaired tends to maintain its condition better over the years. Complex structural damage often significantly reduces the value of a used vehicle. However, if the repair is quick and precise, this impact can be much smaller. For drivers planning to sell the car in the future, this represents a significant advantage. Furthermore, insurance companies can also benefit from this type of architecture. Lower repair costs mean less expense related to claims. This factor can positively influence the price of car insurance. Thus, modular design not only affects the engineering of the car, but it can also transform the economy surrounding the vehicle. Another interesting rumor involves the materials used on the car's exterior. Some reports indicate that the Model 2 could use exterior panels made of structural polymer instead of traditional sheet metal. This type of material has several advantages compared to steel or painted aluminum. First, it is naturally corrosion resistant. This means that problems like rust practically disappear. Second, these panels can be manufactured without the need for conventional painting. Automotive painting is one of the most expensive and complex processes in vehicle manufacturing. Eliminating it would significantly reduce production costs. Furthermore, removing the paint also eliminates common problems such as peeling, deep scratches, and fading. The absence of traditional paint can also bring practical benefits to the owner. Small scratches and superficial damage tend to be less visible on pigmented polymer materials. This means the car can maintain a newer appearance for much longer. For those who intend to use the vehicle for several years, this aesthetic durability is quite relevant. Another important benefit is the reduction in maintenance over the car's lifespan. Automotive repainting can be extremely expensive. By eliminating this need, the total cost of ownership decreases even further. Again, this feature seems aligned with the focus on drivers who value simplicity and economy. The goal would not only be to create a car that is cheap to buy, but also cheap to maintain. All these elements, simplified production, robust structure, modular repairs, and durable materials, point to a very specific engineering philosophy. Instead of prioritizing visible technological complexity, the design seems to focus on longevity and practical efficiency. This could represent an interesting shift in how electric vehicles are designed. Many current EVs emphasize performance, futuristic design, and advanced digital features. The rumored Model 2 seems to follow a different path. It could be a car designed to last for many years with minimal mechanical intervention. If the rumors are correct, this vehicle could inaugurate a new category within the market, a truly affordable, robust electric car prepared for long-term everyday use. Another possibility mentioned in the rumors involves a structural technology directly inspired by the aerospace industry. Some sources claim that Tesla could be testing the use of advanced structural adhesives in the Model 2, similar to those used in rockets and space capsules. This type of technology is already employed in extremely demanding applications.